जो मदर ने जमीन दी थी वो भी उससे ले लिया, सब कुछ ले लिया। मतलब जिस घर में वो रह रही है वो घर के अगेंस्ट में 3.5 करोड़ का उन्होंने लोन लिया एंड शी मेड हर ओन ही मेड हर ओन हाउस एट इंदौर। नाउ शी इज मतलब नॉट गेटिंग एनी जस्टिस फ्रॉम एनीवन because that he is a powerful person, so nobody is मतलब in fact after taking receipt of this complaints no authority is helping her only because of that he is a deputy collector and that respondent number 3 is a patwari. Yes madam.
Now I will impose cost on this misuse of process of
no my lord kindly consider my lord because she is not getting any justice from anyone. It's married to the respondent number 2 my lord. In the year 1989 and the respondent 2 was he is deputy collector and he is having a disagreed relation with respondent number 3 and since 2013 he is harassing to the present petitioner. So she made so many complaints to the authorities but due to his power and everything my lord she is not getting any justice from any authority. After that, my lord, one instance took place because he insisted that you should take divorce from her.
Keep away all this matter from the High Court. Sorry.
Kindly consider the complaint which is filed, my lord. It is starts from page number 43 for a second, my lord. Now she is
dirty disputes are coming to the
my lord, kindly consider what happened. They are my lord, they are managing document notices.
They are fed up all type of this allegations and all these things.
My lord, kindly
every second cases of matrimonial dispute and all sort of type of dirty allegations against each other.
It is not a matrimonial dispute, my lord. Kindly consider page number 43 for a second.
Yes.
My lord, because one crime has been registered against that person and this honorable court has issued a notice to the present petitioner, but he has managed that notice and he has made a 4 signature on that, and my lord has already heard a connected matter, my lord, which is listed, my lord, before this honorable court, my lord, and the 4 signatures has been made by the respondent number 2 and she has never received that notice, my lord, and my lord has express the opinion that inquiry be I'm going to pass an order for the inquiry, but my lord has passed an order to engage another counsel, my lord. This is the same matter, my lord, because they are making a crime against the in a court documents also, my lord. They are making 4 signatures of the present petitioner, my lord. They are making 4 signatures on the Wakalatnama also, my lord. And my lord, kindly consider.
So now you are appearing in that matter.
Yes, my lord. Kindly consider, my lord, page number 43 for a second. This is a complaint, my lord. She is making so many complaints, but she is not getting any justice, my lord. My lord, he is not maintaining her family since 2013, my lord. So her mother has gave some land to her. My lord, kindly consider para number 7. जो मदर ने जमीन दी थी वो भी उससे ले लिया, सब कुछ ले लिया। मतलब जिस घर में वो रह रही है वो घर के अगेंस्ट में 3.5 करोड़ का उन्होंने लोन लिया एंड शी मेड हर ओन ही मेड हर ओन हाउस एट इंदौर। नाउ शी इज मतलब नॉट गेटिंग एनी जस्टिस फ्रॉम एनीवन।
आपकी एफआईआर तो लॉन्च हो गई ना, आपने की है?
नहीं मतलब एफआईआर जो लॉन्च हुई थी उसमें मतलब सब्सिक्वेंटली he pressurized her and she made a compromise, my lord. My lord, kindly consider.
This is all afterthought.
No, my lord, there is no afterthought, my lord. Kindly consider para number 7, my lord. Because that he is a powerful person, so nobody is, my lord. In fact, after taking receipt of these complaints, my lord, no authority is helping her, my lord. Only because of that he is a deputy collector and that respondent number 3 is a patwari. My lord, all the property has been sold by him and he took loan of 3.5 crore. He made his own house, my lord, and she is hand to mouth, my lord. And in fact जो उसकी मदर ने उसको 12 बीघा जमीन दी थी वो भी उसने उस पे मॉर्गेज कर दिया। My lord, kindly consider para number 7 which is on page number 46 for a second, my lord.
प्रेयर आपकी रजिस्टर सेपरेट एफआईआर by applicant and other in MCRC, वही उसी
Yes,
MCRC के
yes,
लिए.
my lord. Because she never signed that
वो that we will
document.
decide in that MCRC. Whether any forgery was committed, that
and
is
my
under
lord,
3.
and
उसके
my
लिए
lord-
separate MCRC लगाने की जरूरत नहीं मैडम. And we will consider in that MCRC.
But my lord, kindly
देखिए,
consider.
the petitioner is already appearing in now appearing in MCRC 27065 of 18, and she is permitted to raise all objection or submissions in the red matter. And if this court found that any forgery was committed by respondent number 1 in the said MCRC, the court may direct for appropriate action for that. This present MCRC for that particular relief is not
My lord,
maintainable.
I sought two release, my lord. And
हाँ ठीक है, वो
my lord,
दूसरी भी.
but my lord, kindly consider this complaint, my lord, which is on page number 43. Start from.
बट आपकी केवल प्रेयर ये है कि उस MCRC में जो फ्रॉड हुआ उसको
No, my
रजिस्टर
lord,
करें.
there is another relief, my lord.
Be
which is,
resolved
relief
and
number
action
two,
be
my lord.
initiated. Sir.
My lord, kindly consider relief
Yes.
number 2, my lord. My lord, it is not a fake matter, my lord. I had filed all the documents.
आप मैडम आप तीसरी रिलीफ देखिए अब क्या है. एप्लीकेंट भी परमिटेड टू फाइल अ फ्रेश रिप्लाई इन दैट MCRC. उस MCRC को हम इधर से इससे कंट्रोल करें. व्हाट इज ऑल दिस? आप उसी MCRC में लगाइए ना आपको जो एप्लीकेशन लगाना है. द एप्लीकेंट भी परमिटेड टू फाइल फ्रेश रिप्लाई इन MCRC नंबर सो एंड. हाउ दिस इज अ रिलीफ?
My lord, that application is filed in that
तो
MCRC.
आप उसमें प्रेयर करिए ना जब लगेगी कि
मतलब
हमारी
because-
रिप्लाई.
because my lord-
उसके लिए आप सेपरेट MCRC
My
लगाएंगे.
lord, because this honorable court has not issued any direction in relation to that inquiry, my lord. So I had filed this.
आप
Now,
उसमें
sir,
एप्लीकेशन नहीं ला सकती, लेकिन आपका कहना हम सेपरेट MCRC लगाएंगे उसके लिए.
मतलब-
हम अपने आप को डायरेक्शन इसमें दें. वाह.
My lord, kindly.
चलिए इट्स ऑल मिसकंसीव्ड
kindly
इसमें सर हम कॉस्ट
consider-
लगाएंगे मैडम इसमें. दिस इज टू मच. मतलब हम अपने आप को डायरेक्शन दें. मतलब दिस इज रिलीफ टू गिव डायरेक्शन टू माई सेल्फ.
No, my lord. Because my lord, court has.
आपका राइट क्लोज किया है क्या उसमें उस MCRC में?
No, my lord. Because fraud has been done in that MCRC.
मैडम कम टू
my
पेज
lord.
10 एंड सी द रिलीफ पार्ट.
Yes, madam.
Now I will impose cost on this misuse of
Yes.
process of
No,
law.
my lord. I had never.
देखिए इसमें लिखे
Yes,
क्या लिखा
madam.
है. एप्लीकेंट भी परमिटेड टू फाइल रिप्लाई इन पेंडिंग MCRC. इसके लिए आप 482 लगा रहे हैं.
My lord, page number 10, my lord.
10 हाँ.
Yes. The respondent number 1 we directed to register a separate FIR towards the fraud, forging of signature of the applicant by the respondent number 2 to 5 and other co-accused persons, applicants in MCRC number.
ये पेंडिंग है अभी,
Yes, madam.
है ना. ठीक. नंबर 2.
That the various complaints made by the present applicant be resolved and the action be initiated to all the accused persons immediately.
एंड नंबर 3.
The applicant be permitted to file a fresh reply in MCRC number so and so. It is my relief, my lord. I am not claiming against the order of any this honorable court, my lord.
आप ये प्रेयर उस MCRC में नहीं कर सकते. हमको रिप्लाई दूसरा फाइल करने की परमिशन दी जाए. उसके लिए 482 लगाना जरूरी है.
It may be my mistake, but in consonance with relief number 1, my lord, I had prayed this relief. So because kindly we are praying for the direction because my lord, we are filing various complaints, my lord, nobody is helping her. Kindly consider page number 43, my lord. This is the main complaint, my lord. She is filing complaints against before the so many authority, my lord. As per the rule 22 of
आपका जब मर्जी होगी, जब कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे, जब आप चाहेंगे प्रोसिक्यूट हो, मतलब कोर्ट एंड पुलिस आपके हिसाब से चले. जब आप चाहेंगे कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लेंगी, जब आप चाहेंगी कंप्लेंट हो.
इनफैक्ट कोर्ट ने भी कंसिडर किया, कॉम्प्रोमाइज करवाया. कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर पास किया कि आप अपने वाइफ को मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे, फैमिली को मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे, तो यू हैव टू पे सच एंड सच अमाउंट व्हिच इज अ कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स, माय लॉर्ड. इवन
दिस इज हाउ हैपनिंग मैडम. आजकल यही हो रहा है. कंप्लेंट फाइल कर रहे हैं, FIR रजिस्टर हो रही, फिर कंप्रोमाइज हो रहा है. कोर्ट और पुलिस का कोई काम ही नहीं बचा. अब यही कराना
My
है
lord,
कि पहले FIR रजिस्टर करो, फिर कंप्रोमाइज कराओ. सॉरी नो मोर वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. पिटीशन इज डिसमिस.
दिस कंप्लेंट, माय लॉर्ड, फॉर अ सेकंड, माय लॉर्ड, बिकॉज़
देख लिया मैडम. आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द कंप्लेंट. मेरे पास है, देख लिया हमने. बट दिस रिलीफ्स कैन नॉट बी ग्रांटेड इन दिस पिटीशन.
My lord, because there is various complaints, my lord, against the respondent number 1, my lord, 2, my lord. My lord, nobody is helping her. As per rule 22, my lord, of conduct rule, my lord, no second marriage can be performed by the respondent number 2, my lord. And she is filing representation before the authorities, but nobody is helping her. That's why she has filed this petition, my lord. And we
482 is not the remedy for that.
My lord, we had filed we had prayed the specific remedy, my lord, as relief number 2, my lord. My lord, kindly consider, my lord, because she is not getting any justice from anyone, my lord.
why 9 respondents have been made party?
My lord, because they were, my lord, in that petition, my lord, MCRC, that FIR, they were all the accused, my lord. All these persons were accused, my lord, and because in that MCRC, that reply and the reply has been modified, my lord, that all the contentions of the prosecution and statement of the one of the son has been modified in by admission of this present petitioner, and that reply has been filed before the court, my lord. That's why we had prayed this, my lord. My lord,
That's all?
her entire
That's all?
property has been mortgaged, my lord. She is not.
Now you are
getting
repeating,
anything.
madam. I have
And-
noted that.
And my lord, he is a big powerful person, so she is not getting any relief. And when-
This is, I think,
Madam,
10th
this is
time you
not
are
a-
repeating this.
Madam, this
I have
is-
heard and noted it.
My lord, this is not a usual matter, my lord. Because if she is not getting anything, then she can come to the court. Otherwise, when she will get the justice, my lord.
ठीक, I will consider. Next.
Bill number 35.